This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you one of the cutest little sporty hatchbacks you've ever seen. Check out this 2023 Nissan Kicks SR. Your SR is your sporty version. This one is no exception. Sharp as a tack, a lot of good equipment. Around back, rear park assist sensors, tons of cargo room, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Really sharp, gloss black, 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Firestone tires. The little Kicks has plenty of interior room. Back seat is no exception. It also comes with USB ports for you passengers to charge their devices. It's Scarlet Ember Tri-Coat with a two-tone black roof. Color-keyed door handles, color-keyed mirror caps, part of the SR package. LED turn signals integrated in those mirrors. LED daytime running lights, headlights, and fog lights. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Two-tone bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's also equipped with blind spot monitor. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel, automatic headlights, fog light controls. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 30,000 one-owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera with that really cool, really trick surround vision monitor. Heating and air controls, more USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, electronic parking brake, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Kicks SR, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.